Welcome Aria Connector users. In this short video series, we'll guide you step by step through the installation process of Aria Connector. By following these instructions, setting it up will be quick and simple. Let's get started. The first step is to go to openrouter.ai. This is where you'll get your API key. The great thing about OpenRouter is that with a single API key, you can access multiple providers like Claude, OpenAI, Gemini, GPT, Mistral, and more. And what's even better, you can also use free AI models. To begin, log in. You can use your Google account if that's easier. Once you're logged in, go to the credits section. Here, you'll need to make a one-time deposit of $10 or 10 euros. This is not a subscription nor a monthly payment. With this deposit, you'll unlock 1,000 free queries per day to use with the available models. If you don't make this deposit, OpenRouter only gives you 10 to 20 queries a day, depending on your region. That's why making the deposit is the smart option. With one single payment, you have full daily access and your balance won't be touched. This is by far the easiest way. Aria can connect to other providers like OpenAI, Gemini, or Mistral. But with each of those, you need to create a separate API key and fund it. With OpenRouter, you avoid that extra work. One API key, one deposit, and you're ready to go. Now, some people prefer paid AIs because they tend to be faster. That's true. But in our tests, even using short time frames like M1, the free AIs worked smoothly. That's why we recommend starting with the free models. Later on, if you want, you can switch to the paid ones. The cost of paid queries is very low, just cents, and it's easily absorbed by Aria's operations. The second step is adding your credits. Simply complete your details, save your payment method, and fund your account with $10. Next, go to the Keys section and click on Create API Key. Give it a name and leave the limit field blank for now, since we'll be using the free models at the start. Later, if you decide to use paid AIs, you can set a limit depending on how often you want to make queries, every hour, every 10 minutes, or whatever suits your strategy. Once created, your API key will be generated. Copy it, save it in a safe place, and then paste it into Aria. Important, do not share your API key with anyone. If even a single character is missing, or if there's an extra space at the end, it won't work. And that's it. Now, your API key is ready to go. The one I'm showing here is just an example, but when you create yours, keep it private. We're ready to move on to the next video, where we'll show you how to place the API key inside your Aria terminal.